Today I want to show you how to get mildew off your bricks. I have a area in my front, right by my front door. It doesn't get much sun, so it's bad about getting mildew. So I bought some uh, mildew remover, and it's just let it sit for a few minutes, spray off the water. I'm going to show you how easy it is, so you can grab you some and try it yourself. Mold armor is easy house wash. You spray it on your brick, let it sit for a few minutes, and spray it off. Yeah, here's the finished look. If you don't have a pressure washer, I wanted to show you how it looks using this house cleaner and a garden hose. So, something you could do at home yourself.